I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A ridge of high pressure building east onto the plains, and westerly downslope winds continue the warming trend through tomorrow. After highs in most of Nebraska today in the mid to upper 40s, and southwest Nebraska and northern Kansas with highs in the low to mid 50s, tomorrow is a touch warmer with highs ranging from the upper 40s to the mid 50s. Behind a cold front tomorrow night, highs on Thursday through Saturday dropping back into the mid 30s to the low 40s. Light rain and snow are possible in central and eastern areas Saturday afternoon through Saturday night with the wave of low pressure. Some forecast models indicate no precipitation, while other models predict a dusting to 2 inches of snow. Highs for Sunday warm into the low to mid 40s when a cold front lifts back to the east as a warm front. A ridge of high pressure boosting our highs into the mid 40s to the low 50s for Monday and stretching that warming trend through the middle of next week. The latest long-term forecast predicts Nebraska and Kansas are very likely to see warmer than normal temperatures for Sunday through December 11th. Below normal precipitation is expected Sunday through December 11th for both Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors the markets are watching include warming temperatures heading into December with a couple of storms, a break in the rain for parts of southern Brazil, and increasing wet season rain in central Brazil. Cool and dry weather across much of the U.S. yields to more active weather the second half of this week. Storminess develops late tomorrow in the western Gulf Coast, later spreading across the remainder of the south as well as much of the east and lower Midwest. 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches or more from eastern Texas to the southern Atlantic coast, except for the Florida Peninsula. Rainfall exceeding an inch should also spread as far north as the lower Ohio Valley. Snow squalls downwind of the Great Lakes subside the middle of this week, followed by a midwestern and northeastern warming trend. The warmer weather in the Midwest should help with the final corn harvest efforts. 10 to 20% of the corn acreage remains standing in Michigan, Wisconsin, and Ohio. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days across the plains and the upper Midwest. Across the central and southern plains, some precipitation is possible late this week, weekend, and possibly next week, helping to build up the soil moisture. In central Brazil, scattered rain continues at reduced coverage and intensity from El Nino. Rain increases this weekend in central Brazil, which benefits the soybean development. Southern Brazil continues to have too much rain for developing corn and soybeans, especially in Parana. The rains decrease in Rio Grande do Sul this weekend, and rain is more limited next week, helping to reduce the excessive soil moisture. Some of southern Brazil this weekend, though, could see some heavier rain. In the Black Sea region, frequent precipitation the last couple of months helped the drier areas into better conditions for winter wheat that's going dormant in mostly good condition. Far southern areas of the Black Sea region are a bit warmer and could benefit from the active weather to put down some good roots, putting next year's crop in very good shape. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.